Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to configure BGP manipulation. We're going to configure the local preference and AS prepending. We're going to manipulate the traffic. We're going to force the traffic. It will go to our primary link. Then if our primary link is down, the traffic will go to backup link, backup 1. Then if our backup 1 is down, traffic will go to backup 2. Okay, then we will also check the return traffic. We will force the traffic. It will come back to this primary link because as much as possible, we're going to avoid asymmetric routing. Okay, so let's check now the configuration. So this is our computer. Show IP. This is our computer from this left side, 172.16.1.2. We're trying to ping or send connectivity on this computer, which is 192.168.1.2. Okay, so ping 192.168.1.2. We have a connectivity, but we need to check which traffic flow it's going. Okay, let's go to the customer 1, show IP BGP. Okay, we have a BGP connection on AS100. We have a default route going to best path 11.11.11.13, which is the C5, and the backup will be our C4, which is router 1. Okay, and let's check the trace route 192.168.1.2. Okay, so our traffic, it went to our customer 5, then it went back to customer 4, which is that is not our main target. See, it exit to our backup 2 link, right? We don't want to send this traffic here. Then it went to here, it went to ISP2, then ISP2, then ISP7, okay, ISP7, ISP5, then it went to our this is our C3 router 5, then until it reaches our destination. Okay, we will try to force the traffic going to this primary link. Okay, if I will go here, let's check the BGP configuration here, show IP BGP. Okay, so in our show IP BGP, let's check 192.168. okay, our 192.168.1, our best path is going to this one, this C4, 11.11.11. We want to force the traffic going to this ISP8. Maybe your link here, maybe you have a faster link compared to this link. Okay, so we will force the traffic from here. So all you have to do is configure our let's check the BGP configuration. Show run section BGP. Okay, we're going to configure local preferences going to this network. So this is our configuration. Config T, router BGP 100. Okay, then we'll go to our neighbor 10.9.0.9, which is this router. Then that's okay. Then we're going to configure route map. Okay, then we'll put a name. You can put name whatever you want. So I will put local prep. I'll put 200, local prep 200. Okay, then so I'm going to put in, okay, because this is like we're parsing the traffic going there, right? Like advert um, local preference for 200. I want to send the traffic going to that router, right? So okay, then we're going to configure the route map. Route map, whatever the name that you use there, local prep 200. Then you need to put permit, then permit 10. Okay, then you're gonna put a set local preference. Okay, set local preference, so I'll put 200. Okay, so that is your configuration. Okay, so let's double check our configuration. So show run section BGP. So in our configuration now, we have neighbor on our ISP8, local prep 200 in. We need to check, I need to type beg so that we can see the configuration for our route map. Okay, show run. Okay, so we have local prep permit 10, set local preference 200. Okay, so now if we're going to test again, so before our traffic, it's going to this path, then it went back to our from CPI, then it went to our customer 4, which is our router 1, then it went to our backup 2 link, right? We want to force the traffic going there, so let's test again. Still not working, so all you have to do now, because the BGP is not yet reflecting, so let me clear IP BGP soft. Okay, so we'll clear the BGP IP stir soft. Okay, so let me test it again. Okay, so you see the difference now. From customer 1, it went the traffic went to our C5, customer 5, then it went to our primary link. See, it went to our primary link, then it went to our 10.9.3.10, this router. Okay, then from this router it went to our AS300. So how to check this one? So if I will go to C5, okay, trace route 192.168.1.2. See, it went to our AS400, then AS500, then AS300. See, so now our outbound is working fine, right? So so what will happen now? For example, our primary link is down, right? What we need to make it sure that we have a backup 1 and backup 2 will, in case primary link is down, backup 1 link will come up, right? So the configuration, we need to go to the C4 router 1. So run section BGP. Okay, so this is our configuration. So configure router BGP 100. Okay, then neighbor 10.1.2.2. Okay, so we're going to configure route map. Okay, then the word, so we'll put local prep 150. So because the primary is 200, we'll put this one 150. Then we're going to configure in, same with the one that we use in the C5, right? In 10.1.1 10.1.1 no, our neighbor will be 10.1.1.2 10.1.1.2, correct. So 10.1.1.2. Okay, then we'll do the same to 10.1.2.6 backup link 2 on ISP2. 10.1.2.6, this one. So we'll configure also local prep. We'll put 100. Okay, then we're going to configure their route map then what you call this one, route map question mark. You need to configure the local prep 150, right? Permit 10, set local preference 150. Okay, so do the same to the other one. So route map local prep 100. Okay, then set local preference 100. Now if we're going to double check our configuration, so BGP. So we have a neighbor prep 150 and 100 for our backup 2. Our backup 1 is local prep 150, backup 2 is 100. Okay, then we'll check the configuration. Okay, local prep 100, local preference 100, local preference 150. Okay, so we're good now. So let's test it. We're going to try to ping. We'll do continuous ping. Okay, we're going to ping continuous ping from this computer going to our destination 192.168.1.2. Okay, so what we're going to do here is let's try to show run section BGP. We're going to shut down the BGP from here. Config router BGP 100, then neighbor, this neighbor, we're going to shut down. Let's see, there is still a connection, right? So how can we verify if our link went to our backup trace route 192.168? Trace route, see this trace route, it went to our customer 1, it went to our customer 5, then it sent back to our backup link. In our backup link, it's going to this network. Okay, then it went to 10.2.2.3, it go to the ISP3, then it go to 10.3.3.4 ISP4, and until customer 3. So our backup, it's working nice. So we know that when the BGP is down, we don't have a disconnection, our backup link. What if the backup 1 is down? um, let's try to um, shut down the BGP on this area. So run section BGP. Okay, we're going to shut down the BGP from this area. Router BGP 100, neighbor, we're going to shut down the BGP on local preference 100. Shut. Let's check. We still have connectivity. Okay, there is no downtime. So let's check our routing table, trace route now. Alright, so it went to our backup link 2, which is this one, backup link 2. So before, it's going to our backup link 1, right? Backup 1. But in the beginning, it's going to our primary link. So our BGP backups are working fine, right? So the next thing that we're going to check now, what about the return traffic? We want to make it sure the return traffic will force will go to our primary link. But first, let's enable back our neighbor. So if I will no shut this one, what will happen to our trace route? So I'm expecting it will go back to our primary link. See, it went back to our primary link because our BGP on the primary link is up, right? Without disconnection from our computer here. So let me enable also the from router 1. Then I will enable now the backup 1. Okay, no shut. So everything is up and running now. So our primary link, backup 1 and backup 2 are ready to take over the link. So in our trace route, okay, so we're going to our primary link. Now, how to troubleshoot the return traffic? So in our return traffic, okay, so let me fix this first. So you can easily view it. Okay, so from this computer, router 5, router 2, okay, so we have router 2 here and show IP. So this is our computer at the right side. So if I will ping 172.16.1.2, which is the computer here, there's a connectivity, right? But let's check which area it's going, right? So if I will go here and C2, router 5, so I will go here, trace route 172.16.1.2. So the return traffic, it's going to this area. It will go down here, but it went to the return traffic, it went to our backup 1 link, right? It's like outbound, it went here, then the return is coming here. We need to avoid this asymmetric routing, right? We need to force to come here. why it's going here. Let's check. Show IP BGP. So IP BGP, okay. Let's check the priority. So 172.16.1.2, okay. So best path, it go here. It go to the AS200, then go to 100. We're going to force the traffic to come back here. So how can we do this one? So we need to configure prepend from this router, so that it will become a less priority, because at the moment this router, it can see, right, okay, my best path is going to this one. Okay, so let's go to our router 1. First, let me save the configuration. Okay, so we're going to configure prepend to this area, so that it will become a less priority when this network 192.168.1.0 network, when it return, I want to force to go here. It can go anywhere in the internet, but at least it will exit either here or here or here, as long as it come back on this primary link. So how can we do this one? So first, let's configure show run section BGP. Okay, so we need to configure prepend, right? So config T, okay, router BGP 100, then our neighbor will be neighbor 10.1 10.1.1.2, okay, 10.1.1.2, this is our neighbor. Then we're going to configure route map, okay, question mark. So put the name, you can put name whatever you want. So I will put AS prepend, okay. Then I will put because this is prepend, I will put out, okay, out. Then route map question mark, the name that you use there, prepend, permit 10, okay, set. We're going to use AS path, okay, AS path. We're going to use AS path prepend, okay. Then I'll put our AS 100 3 times, 100, okay, so that it will become a less priority. Okay, so we have done on this part, so we'll do also on this other one. So if I will exit, so router BGP, so 10.1.1.2, we're going to configure 10.1.2.6, this backup link to route map AS prepend. I can use the same name. Then I will configure the route map AS prepend, okay. I think they can use the same AS prepend, right? So let me double check the configuration. Show run section BGP or begin BGP, so we can see the whole configuration of the BGP. Okay, so we have now route map AS prepend, AS path prepend 100. Okay, so if I will check the configuration here, AS prepend out, AS prepend for this neighbor, AS prepend for this one. Okay, so now let's check if it's exiting now there. So before we can see it went here, right? So let's check show IP BGP. No, I need to clear first the show clear IP BGP soft. Okay, so that it will refresh the BGP. Okay, so let me check show IP BGP. Let's see if there's a changes. Okay, so best path, it will go here, it will go here, but see, you saw this one, it went to 400. Yes, 400, because it will come back here. So return traffic is fine now. Let's double check now. Trace route, yes, it's working. So you saw this one, it went back to our primary link. So the BGP manipulation traffic, it's working fine. So this is how you do it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please consider like and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.